You're here to learn how to grow your business online. Before we get started, you may be asking yourself, what's the difference between inbound marketing and digital marketing? Digital marketing is any kind of marketing that happens on a digital platform. Whether it's on your website, your social media, or through email, it's digital marketing. Inbound marketing is a business methodology that attracts customers by creating valuable content and experiences tailored to them. It's a way to market, usually using digital marketing tactics that draws in qualified leads rather than blasting a message out to a mass audience. What you'll be learning in this course is how to become an effective digital marketer with an inbound first mindset. Keeping this in mind, we'll be referencing the inbound methodology throughout the course and how it relates to the topic you're learning. The inbound methodology is a method for growing an organization by building lasting relationships with people and helping them reach their goals. Because when your customers succeed, you succeed. Now let's review what you're going to learn in this course. This course offers 14 lessons that will equip you with the information needed to get started with creating a digital marketing plan for your business. By the end of this course, you'll know how to approach your digital marketing plan in a human and helpful way, build a content creation framework, optimize your website for search engines, create content that both humans and search engines will love, promote your content using paid and non-paid tactics, build a social media strategy, and measure and analyze your efforts. As you can see, digital marketing spans many different topics, from SEO and content creation to paid media and reporting. This course will teach you the fundamentals of how to get started. However, if your goal is to truly master the art of digital marketing, then we encourage you to complete the Digital Marketing Strategy Learning Path. This learning path is a compilation of 10 digital marketing focused courses that are meant to help you develop an in-depth understanding of each topic related to digital marketing and plan, manage, and implement integrated multi-channel campaigns. To help you track your progress, we created a checklist. This checklist includes a link to each course included in the learning path, an overview of the training, and an estimated amount of time on how long it should take to complete. And once you finish a course, you can check it off. To learn more about the Digital Marketing Strategy Learning Path, as well as access a copy of the checklist, go to the resources section below this video. Now here's a pro tip. Complete the digital marketing course before starting on the learning path. This is because each lesson in this course is connected to one of the continuing education courses in the learning path. Completing this course first will kickstart your progress in each of the continuing education courses. And that's it. I'm sure you're eager to get started, so it's time to get after it. Enjoy!